So I'm not vlog today. So I've been doing is going on trains, but now we are finally here. And I'm going to show you around. I'm in my mum's room right now, so let's just go out. Right. I'm not going outside because it is pouring down, yeah. But yeah, this is the vlog, let's move. And down here is, this is the living room. The TV has 3 TV remotes, which is the most confusing thing in the world. Really nice rocky chair. I love this chair. Like that. This is the couch. Nice bean bag. Whose shoes are there? Oh god, they're not shoes, they're heavy metal things. And there's that. This is the table with my bag and my phone. And yeah. So that's the living room there. Yeah. Then we'll go down here into my room. Not much in here yet, but there's a mirror. Ignore me. Long train journey, so if you didn't know, I'm on holiday. And here's my Zoella makeup case, my that moment, my Pringles, and they're not mine. The person who was here last, they left it. And then there's me again. And then here is my outfits. I have my Miami top from Select, where Greenwich End. Then I have girls just, oh you can see, sorry. A girl just wanna have fun, and that is from Primark. Then this again from Primark, can't see it. Now Horn has the exact same top but not flower. Then I have a dress from Select again. And then I have some jeans and the shoes and a coat. And then we're going to my mum's room. This is my mum's room. And another mirror, but I still don't know what this is. It's so weird. It's even upside down, watch it, it's upside down. And another thing then is that room. I mean, a bathroom, I don't really think you'll care about that, but in case you want to look in here, because there's a few cool things in here. Just like open there. We have styling chairs for the person last. Then this is the other thing that we want to show you is last person left urinal. Oh god, so we have urinal there, and that's the toilet on the shower. So that is, and then there's the boiler and then the door again. So that's just a toilet. So yeah. I'll see you later. We've just well, it's raining really heavily. I don't know if I can see good, but it's pouring down. If I got a really good camera, you would hear the rain, and it's like busting it down. And my mum's gone to sleep because she's tired, so I'm sat here. So now what to do? So why don't we just I don't know. We have come out of camp because it's raining and there's nothing to do. So we're coming to random camp to see if we can go in here. I'll tell you how it's up.
I mean, you can eat almost everything. Let me in, I'm starving! Now, don't get overexcited. Don't lose your head, Augustus.
We found our caravan.